All right, so here we are, back on Mosvet. As you can see, I've began the arduous task of soldering our OEM harness for the turn signal light, high beam light, and ground to our digital gauges. Working on all that, getting that all situated. It's a long, drawn-out process, boys and girls. Lots of colors, lots of wiring. Getting it all done. Gonna get it nice. Mo's gonna enjoy this thing so much when it's done. But it's a process, so I gotta get all these soldered up, get them individually wrapped, and then get it all wrapped and put it away. I'm also thinking of getting red LEDs and using the OE cluster light holes just for a little glow around in addition to our LED gauges.